Posture, not open, no? Don't open. Laging medyo naka-close yan. Para hindi niya may pwersa yung hips niya. Then when I go up, I tilt ng konti. Hindi siya straight. This is different from this one. I go up. See? Bitaw. Control. Kunin man ni Doc yon, I have the control from here. Hindi to basa-basa mahila. Try mo ako i-sweep, Doc.
Ayun, hindi ako
Sipain mo ako na itong hips na to. Okay, that's good. Kasi meron ako neto. Pero pag wala yan, mas yung ginawa ni Doc yun, see, may balance na uubos ka agad. Done this. Now, banana pin. Tulak mo lang pababa. Pagbaba niya, you go down, block this side, block your body. Para hindi niya ma-recover to. Kasi pag ito, nandito ka, i-step in niya lang or mag-similk siya. Kailangan, once you go down, I go down with my body. I can go here for my pass. Or pwede ka rin mag-long step.